welcome back to OUAI's YouTube. I'm Jen Atkin, founder of OUAI.
And I'm co-founder, Desi Perkins.
And co-founder, Desi Perkins. I get my period, Desi gets her period. We all take for granted the fact that we have feminine hygiene supplies. So today we are packing up some pads and tampons to help our community who are experiencing homelessness or poverty. And so we're just having some cold brew with Alfreds and doing some good with our girlfriends. You could do some good in your town too, you know. Get off the couch and do some good. This is what women spend on average in their lifetime, $18,000. Do you know what I could do with that money?
These products aren't tax rate.
Yeah, tampons are taxed, Viagra and Rogaine are not taxed.
Everything is packed out. We're going to shuttle down to downtown, and then we're going to distribute it to like a couple of centers that accept it. Nice, yeah. So we just launched our brand new super dry shampoo, and when we were working on the marketing for this campaign, we were all saying how super absorbent it was, and it's in a super wide can, it's for heavier oil flow days, and then we thought it was kind of funny, it was starting to remind us of a super tampon, and we thought, what's more relatable to women than tampons and dry shampoo? So when we started building out the marketing campaign, we thought, rather than just make it funny and tongue-in-cheek, we should really give back to a cause that deserves more attention for women everywhere in the country. We partnered with period.org, which is a movement to help end the stigma around periods and help end period poverty all across the United States. So today we're throwing a period packing party. We're going to put together 1,000 kits with menstrual products for women in need around Los Angeles. We have tampons and pads, and we're packing them all together here with some of our friends and some of our community and dropping them off at local shelters in LA this afternoon.
Hey guys, this is Desi and Katie. They're going to help us today. Desi, Katie, everybody. Hi. For those who are going to try to go and be shady in the comments, we're using these bags because the shelters actually won't accept any of this unless it's in a plastic bag. So it's a reusable bag. Spread some love out there. Leave some nice comments, YouTube. Let's make YouTube nice again. Are going to go today to the LA Women's Mission and the people concerned. Thank you guys for doing this! So we just pulled up to the LA Mission and we have a ton of boxes to drop off. We're going to drop off half here and half at the next destination.